Hello everyone, I am Manpreet Kaur and I have recently qualified UGC NET-JRF 2023 exam with 174 marks. I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude towards all the faculties of the A.S.S. Foundation. A special thanks to Gaurav Sharma sir and Sumit sir. Their dedication and guidance helped me in achieving this goal. Gaurav sir's expertise in the field of environment science is unmatchable, and his ability to transform complex concepts into simpler concepts is remarkable. His teaching methods are innovative and engaging, make learning fun and enjoyable. Throughout my preparation for the exam, Gaurav sir provided me with enough attention and guidance, ensuring that I am confident and well prepared. He went above and beyond in providing all the necessary resources and the study material. His constant encouragement and motivation kept me focused and determined. Sir, your commitment to providing high quality resources has been instrumental in achieving this goal. The study material that you offer are comprehensive, well organized, and easy to understand. The content is presented in such a way that makes learning enjoyable and engaging. All the four booklets and assignment booklets and the solutions, that is selected solutions, are up to date and covers the whole syllabus. The daily tests, quizzes and discussions in the classroom prepare us for the interviews too. The Google Classroom provided by the institute is a jackpot which has a lifetime access. We can also post our queries on WhatsApp groups that has been prepared by the authorities. A whole team of the A.S.S. Science is ready to resolve our queries. Thanks to the support of whole team, I was able to achieve my goal of qualifying the exam, which has opened up numerous opportunities for my bright future. I cannot thank enough for invaluable contribution to my success. I highly recommend Gaurav sir of A.S.S. Sound Foundation to anyone who is looking for a dedicated and a knowledgeable mentor in the field of environment science. His passion for teaching and commitment to his students is inspiring, and I would look forward to continue learn from the resources in the future. I feel blessed to have had the opportunity to learn from you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.